This is a continuation of our lesson about creating auto comment reply. So we have discussed the basics, and we have also discussed how you can add a personalization and a private reply. Now let's discuss how to add a Spintax. So what is Spintax? Well, in short, to explain it quickly, Spintax is used so that our post will not become robot-like, so that it will become random. Um, how can we put a random reply to our specific user? So that is where Spintax comes along. So I'm gonna put a paint in here so that I can illustrate to you how to create Spintax and the format in creating Spintax. So Spintax is just a bunch of text that the computer or the system will randomly use. So you can put words or sentences for the Spintax. So this is the format. Use a curly bracket as the opening, and then you can put a word in here, and then the separator would be this line, and you can put another word too in there, and then you can put another separator in here, and you can add a word 3, and then finally you will end it with a closing curly bracket. All right, so this is the format. You open it up with with an opening curly bracket, and then each word that the system will um, put display in random, you will separate it with this line. So how do we find this line? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to find this on the keyboard. Okay, so I have in here an image of a keyboard. So this is where you will find the vertical line, this keyboard, this key. So you are gonna press Shift plus this key right above the Enter key. So again, Shift and then this one. So that's how you access the vertical line. Now the opening and closing curly brackets is this one. Okay, you will just need to find that on your keyboard. So if you have access on that one, then good. You are now ready to create a Spintax. So let's go back in here, and then we are now going to edit this the same post, but on this one we are going to trigger this using a Spintax. So let's just say that let's just open first with an opening curly bracket, and then the first word would be hello, and then let's put a vertical line as a separator for another word, and then hi, and then vertical line again for the separator. Let's say good day, and then vertical line again for the separator. um hey, yeah, hey, let's just say hey, and then cheers. Okay, and then let's just assume that that is our last word. Then we are going to end it with a closing curly bracket. Now let's hit save, and let's see how this functions. Go back to our post. Go. So the system will display random words based on our comment. So if we say hello, then the system will reply. Okay, wait up. Let's just refresh. Okay. This is the comment. Okay. We said hello, and the system replied with hi. But on our automatic reply, as you can see, this is what we put in here, but the computer only displayed hi. So that's how it works. the computer or the system will display random words according to what we have set in here. Maybe the computer will say hello or hi or good day or hey or cheers. It depends. So let's try again. Let's put the hello word again in here. Then let's wait for the comment reply. Yep, another refresh is needed. And then here you go. The system has replied hello. And then for the last, let's try again. Let's say hello. Okay, and then refresh. Let's see what the system will reply back. Okay. Yeah, hey. So that is how Spintax works. So if we create a Spintax on our sentences, example, yeah, so that is the greetings, and then put the first name in there. Then we can put a Spintax for sentences. So you say, thank you for the comment. Okay, that's the first sentence. And then separate it with a vertical line. Okay, let's just say thank you. Yeah. And then for another sentence, let's say noted on this, and put another one. Um, glad you asked. Put another one. Um, welcome. Welcome to our page. So all of these are sentences. Now let's see how this would work out. All right, let's just save this one. So it's not just words. You can also separate sentences. Same syntax that I have shown you in here. Open curly bracket and then separated with a vertical line, and then you are going to close it with a closing curly bracket. So this is not just word. You can put sentence in here also. Sentence, sentence, and sentence. Let's go back to our post and let's comment hello again. Oops, go to your profile. Don't forget that, because people usually get that mistake. They thought that their bot is not functioning well, but in truth, they did not put their personal account in here. So be careful on that one. Okay, let's say hello. Then let's wait until the system replies. Refresh. And then, as you can see, good day, Colin. Glad you asked. Okay, so let's try another comment. Hello. Okay, and then wait until the system replies again. Yeah, good day, Colin. Welcome to our page. But on the first one, I think it was not good day. Newest. Go for the newest comment. Okay, good day. Same. Good day, Colin. Glad you asked. And then on the next comment, our bot's reply has changed. It has now become welcome to our page. What it does is it basically makes our reply more human-like, less monotonous, as Facebook really detects if we keep replying the same thing over and over again. And that is not also a good user experience once the reader has read our comment that it's just the same comment again and again and again. Well, the better thing to do, instead of putting a just same reply for everybody, you can put a Spintax like this one, like we did earlier, so that we can say the same message, but we can say it in different ways. All right, so it will be more flexible and less monotonous. All right, so that's how Spintax works. And by the way, Spintax also works on private reply. So To test that out, let's go back to our private reply template. So again, how do we edit our private reply template? First is go to Messenger bot. Okay, this is how you edit. Go to Messenger bot, and then go back to the post back ID. So I just want to remind you that the post back ID is just the same as your private reply template. Again, the post back ID is just the same as your private reply template. So again, go back to your Messenger bot and then post back manager and then click actions. We are going to edit our previous post, which is this one. Okay, so click edit. We are going to put a Spintax for this one. Okay, let's just say that we are on promo. We are in promo of, let's just say, I'm just gonna say a random whatever, $50, and then another word. You're lucky we are on price drop of $50 today. We are on a big price drop, just $50. Okay, another word, another sentence, big discount for you today, just $50 or whatever. Okay, so let's just see how this would work out. All right, just gonna click update. Okay, so same syntax. Again, how do you put a Spintax? So the syntax of a Spintax, yeah, that rhymes together, right? So this is the syntax of when you create a Spintax. Put a opening curly bracket, and then word or sentence, and then line separator, sentence or word, and then line separator, sentence or word, and then the closing curly bracket. Go back to the post, which is this one. Go to your personal profile, and then we are going to comment hello again. And then we are going to see what the private reply is now. Okay. Okay, so there you go. The Spintax worked even on private reply. So you can basically add a Spintax operation on any public reply and private reply. Okay, so I guess that marks the end of this lesson, how to make better comment reply with private reply, with personalization, and with Spintax. So again, the format of when creating a Spintax is this one, the opening curly bracket. I'm just going to clear this up first. So first you have to create an opening curly bracket, and then you have a word in there or a sentence, and then you are going to separate that with a vertical line. So I have already shown you how to find the vertical line on your keyboard. And then another word in here, and the vertical line, and the word. You can put as many words as you want. You can put as many types of random reply. As long as you follow the correct syntax, it will work. Okay, so thank you and see you on the next lesson.